This is Mwalimu Bafaki. Grow your business without limits. How to fix prices. How to set prices for your business. Now, I have had a lot of DMs, inboxes. People find it a problem to set prices for their items in their businesses. Now, this is what I'm going to talk about. For example, I'm going to give a case study about a grocery business. Now, how to fix prices for a grocery store business. This is what I'm going to talk about today in this very episode, this very video. Now, if you're new to this platform, kindly make it a point to hit the subscribe button down there so that you're not missing out any other video whenever I upload. Now, this tip looks to be simple, but it determines the whole thing of the business growth. When you set prices for your business poorly, it will affect the growth and development of your business or your farm or any of your kind of business. Now, this is what you're going to consider. For example, setting prices is not uniform and the margin is still not uniform. For example, this is how you do it. When you have a lot of commodities you're selling, and then you find that, of course, those commodities can never have the same prices in the market where you're buying, where you're shopping. Now, it means where you're buying will determine the price you're fixing. Now, this is what I must put a disclaimer, that you should not have a very constant price fixed. You should not fix prices which stay for a long period of time. For example, me, I sell posho, I sell beans at 4,000. I do not change. That is really bad. People are leaving you. People are flexible these days. It is not a matter of exploiting the customers by selling them expensively that you want to make a lot of money from them. People will run from you, customers run from you. You must be flexible in such a way that when items go lower in the market where you're buying, please come change the prices you're selling to customers. But now this is what you're going to do. For example, I told in my previous videos that if you want to make a lot of money, if you want to increase your sales, you should aim at lesser margin. For example, I always tell people that, for example, if I'm selling, for example, rice, beans, among others, maybe it's a retail shop, I'm selling, soda, I'm selling, bread. You must consider these other factors that you do not see. People around you, competitors, how are their prices, Now, when you consider that, it is very important that you come up with prices. Because at times, you may set too low prices or you may set too high prices. Now, when you set too low prices, then you're hindering your growth because you're reducing your margin to the extreme, yet you'd have increased at that particular period of time. Now, the first point I can tell you is that you must consider your competitors. What are they selling? What are their prices? Meaning, a good shopkeeper, a good businessman, you must be updated always on what is happening in the market. Now, I've always told people that some people aim at 500 profit margin. Some other people aim at 200, 300, in percentages. Some aim at 10%, 20%, 5%. But me, what I can always tell you is that should not work. What should work is what is in the prevailing market at that particular period according to